My library is where you prepare for your classes. You can easily digitize existing materials which are stored on your computer or on your Google Drive in many different file types. The uploading area is located here. Below, you'll find all already existing assignments as well as a button to create new assignments directly in Cikumas. Collections are a way to organize your assignments by categories, say by subject or by grade. You can create new collections by pressing on the following button. Every assignment can be grouped or organized by pressing on this box next to it and selecting Move to Collection. Assignments can be edited by clicking Open in Editor. To create a new assignment, simply click here. For this demo, I'll be uploading a small document from Word to show Cikumas' great assignment functionalities. Here I uploaded the document. After a quick upload, I can click in the bottom right of the screen or find it in my library. After opening it in the Cikumas editor, I can see all the text that was in the Word document and still edit it as if it were in Word. Next, I can split the document here to insert a question for my students. I have many different question types, and the first 3 categories are even auto-gradable. Let's say I put in a fill-in-the-blanks question. Let's actually call this question Fill in the blanks, and I already have a sample sentence copied. So I'll just paste it in here. By highlighting the text, I can define what words I want my students to fill in. After moving that question in between the 2 blocks of text, I decide to add one of Cikumas' many media options to enrich my students' experience. The file block is very useful as a tool to distribute files to my students in the assignment itself, in case Cikumas doesn't support the direct upload of that file type. When you are done with the assignment, simply click on Preview before assigning it to specific classes or sending it to individual students. Next, you can click on Assign, which will send off the assignments to the students of your choice. You can select the due date, add a comment, and most importantly, select the type of assignment that it is. This will save you a lot of headaches later, since we can also take care of the weighting and grading of the assignment. Once it has been assigned, the student will get an automatic entry in their personal calendar. Please press Next to continue with the tutorial.